Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to take care of battery on your Oppo devices. Okay, so all you need to do, just press the settings icon, scroll down a bit, select the battery tab, and now there's two options that you need to do to take care of your battery. So the first one is power saving mode. You can turn it off to lower the brightness, and it will automatically save more battery if you're not using the phone. And the second option is smart charging. It actually slows down your battery aging, so the battery will be healthier. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do, just click it once and it will turn on. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.